Hi ladies and gentlemen, greetings to you all and welcome to our channel. On our channel right here, all we do is we share make money online legit opportunities. That is legit ways to make money online. That is what we really do on our channel right here. So all we do is that we explore make money online platforms and projects. So once we see the verified ones, we bring it and share it to you guys right here so that we all will benefit from it. All right, so and in this particular video right here is nothing different from what we've been doing, but this one is more legit. This is what I call the most legit, trusted and tested way to make passive income in this 2025. All right, so if you are in for something big in this 2025, then you consider watching this video to the end, as I'm going to show you guys everything you're supposed to know on this platform, how to set it up, how to get started, and how to withdraw to your preferred wallet. All right, so without wasting much of our time, let me take you guys to our WhatsApp community where we'll be proceeding with the platform and how to go about it. All right, so let's just get this up and we proceed from here. All right, so first thing first, before we proceed with this video, if this is your first time coming across our channel, kindly do us a favor and smash that subscribe button and also turn on the bell notification so that whenever we drop a massive update like this, you are not going to miss out on it. All right, thank you all for watching and stick around this video. And to all our old subscribers, thank you guys for sticking around with us as we proceed. Okay, so the name of this particular project in this particular update is called SueBison. So this is our WhatsApp community right here. Also do well to explore our WhatsApp community and join us right here. Definitely, you're not going to regret it. 2025, sure. All right, so ride with us as we proceed to success. Right, so the name of this project, like I said earlier, is called SueBison. So this is it on our platform right here. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys everything you're supposed to know about this project, how to get started, how to fund your account, how to set everything up, and also at the ending part of this video, I'm going to be withdrawing my funds right here so that you guys will know that this is very tested and trusted. It's legit. This is not just carry talk. All right, so nobody should miss it. So without wasting much further ado, let's dive straight into the video. So first of all, I'm going to be leaving the link to this particular project in the description section and comment section of this video, or let me just say wherever you get the link from. Unlike right now, the link is already on our WhatsApp community, right? So you just have to follow the link, then we'll proceed with the step-by-step guide, right? So let me just hit on the link, then it will take me to my Telegram where I'm going to get everything set up. Okay, so let's wait for it to come up. All right, then I'll choose my Telegram, then I'll proceed. So this is the step-by-step guide on how to go about this project and get everything done. Okay, so let's wait for our Telegram to come up, then I'll show you guys how to set it up and all you're supposed to know about this project. So it's setting up beautiful. This is the first dashboard you should see. So once it brings you to this particular interface, the first thing you have to do is to hit on this button that say start. Okay, when you click on start, then you will see your name right here. They say hold a second, we are initializing your account. So you give them a few seconds for them to initialize your account. All right, the initialization is still coming up. All right, so this is how the initialization looks like. You can see Hello Chukwudi launch mini app. So this is where you're going to tap this particular place that they wrote launch. This is the starting point of this, how to set up your account. Then you hit on launch right here, then it will take you to your dashboard where you will see everything. So to sign up on this particular project is as simple as ABC. So you can either, let me just say, skip to the app or click on next so that you will just see everything, right? You can just next it. You can just next it and continue, then boom, it will bring you to the main interface of this particular project. So let's wait for them to bring us to the interface. And beautiful, this is just how this project looks like. All right, this is a brand new SueBison account. All right, this is how your dashboard is going to look like. All right, so we don't really have to do much on this platform for us to earn. Okay, so firstly, before I proceed, let me tell you guys what this project really is really all about and how it operates and how you can benefit from it. This project is called SueBison, like I've said earlier, and this is a crowdfunding project that is under Sue blockchain ecosystem. All right, so Sue is a crypto coin that is trading at around 5 point something USDT as at the time of making this video. So this is a crowdfunding project that is launched under this Sue blockchain. All right, so that's why you can see SueBison app, or let's just say SueBison airdrop. All right, so that is just it. You just have to get started, then you fund minimum amount of Sue, right? then you start earning your daily stipend, right? So this is how the interface looks like I said earlier, you don't really have to do much, you don't really have to take much out of yourself to start earning from this project. So once you have set up your dashboard like this, the next thing you have to do is to hit on this place that they wrote deposit. Okay, you hit on the deposit, then you will see send SUE to the address below on the SUE network to automatically stake your SUE. Minimum deposit 1 SUE plus 0.01 SUE estimated gas fee. Alright, so like I said earlier, this thing doesn't really take you much investment and you start earning hugely right here. So 1 SUE, like I said, is equivalent to 5 point something USDT. So you can just send 5 USDT equivalent. All you have to do is just to tap copy right here. Then you head straight to any exchange of your choice where you have SUE, alright, or where you have USDT, you can spot trade it to SUE, then you send it right here. Okay, and if you don't really know how to do this or how to go about it, you can drop your comments in the comment section of this video and I'll reach out to you and I'll assist you on everything you're supposed to know. Okay, so that is the first step. After you've made your deposit, then you come back to this dashboard and click on this place that they wrote initialize stake, and boom, you are good to go. Once you hit on initialize stake, then let's go back to our dashboard. Let's launch again and go back to our dashboard. Okay, so once you hit on initialize stake, you give them few hours, or let me just say few moments, and your stake will reflect in your dashboard. So my account is coming up. Let's just do this. All right, so it's up already. So that is just how it is after you've deposited any amount. So like I said earlier, that 5 point something, let's just say 5 USDT is the minimum amount you can deposit. So you can deposit as much as you like, all right, but that is just the minimum. Okay, so the amount you deposit determines your earning potentials. So after you've initialized stake, you will see the amount you deposited right here. Okay, so this is where your earning balance starts accumulating. Okay, let me just tell you guys how this works. The first 5 days of joining this project, you'll be earning 1% of whatever you deposited right here. Then the next 5 days, they will take it to 1.5%. The next 5 days, they will take it to 2%. Then the next 5 days, they will take it to 2.5%. That's how it starts increasing till you can be able to hit 4% on this project. So once you hit 4% on this project, then you start earning 4% till the next 100 days. All right, I hope this particular explanation is understood. Okay, so that is the first thing, and that is just how to earn autopilot. All right, any amount you deposit here, you will start earning the percentage as I explained earlier. Okay, so there's no limit to the amount you can deposit. Let me say there's no limit to how much you can deposit on this project. All right, but the minimum to deposit is 1 SUE, which is $5. But I would advise us to maximize and manage our risk. All right, on every investment, do well to invest what you can afford to risk. Let me just be plain and honest to you guys. All right, be very, very strict with your investments. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just doing this for educational purposes, but this is something that I've been earning from, and me and my team have already been earning from this, and I decided to share it with you guys, and I believe it will benefit all of us. Right, so you just have to maximize your risk and know your investment limits. Okay, so that's the first thing to earn on this platform. Then the second way is to come to this session that they wrote invite friends. Then you copy your link right here, click on invite friends, then you see your invitation link right here. Then you just have to send it to your family and friends, send it to everybody. Okay, the more people you can bring into this project, you will stand earning from their spillover as well. Let me just launch my bot back, guys. Alright, once you've copied your invitation link, you can share it to your family, friends, colleagues, partners, associates, business partners, and everybody. Alright, so the more people are joining under you, the more you are earning from their own community as well. Alright, on this project, as sweet as it is, you can earn down to 5 generations of your invitee. Alright, from the your direct invite, you get 5%, 10%. Then second invite, you get 5%. Third invite 3%, fourth invite 2%, then fifth invite you get 1% of whatever they earn on this platform. At least that's a very cool business, guys. And that is just the major ways to earn. You stake any amount you wish here, minimum $5. That's $1 worth of that's 1 SUE minimum. You can stake as high as you like. Then you start earning your daily ROI. Then you can as well invite your family and friends and start earning from their own community share as well. All right, and there's what they call weekly pool in this project, so we'll still be doing more awareness on this project on how to earn about it. So once your team volume reach $1,000 right here, you will stand a chance to be earning $25 every week. All right, so everything will be in the write-up in this video, but I don't just really want this video to be too long. I just want to show you guys how to join this project, how to set it up, and how to start earning immediately. So do well to join our community for further information and everything you're supposed to know about this project. And on this project, we are not just earning only the SEO right here. They still have their own crypto token that is going to be listed on top tier exchanges any moment soon. All right, so when you come to tokens right here, you will see where they write Bison token. So this is a new account, nothing is here already. All right, so the way you earn this token is once you deposit, automatically you get some portion of the token, you get some share automatically after you've made your first deposit. Then whenever you make your withdrawal, this is how the withdrawal section works, right? I would have loved to explain this when I enter my main account, but let me just give you guys a heads up. The withdrawal, this is how it works, right? Whenever you make a withdrawal, your funds will be splitted into 4 parts. 60% will go straight to your wallet that you submitted. Then 20% will come back right here to increase your stake. Then 10% will go to these tokens right here. Then the remaining 10% will go to community launch pool. All right, so thereby maintaining the project for longer sustainability. Okay, so we are in for something big in this project. This is how to join, how to set it up, and get yourself riding on this project. Okay, now let me show you guys how to withdraw your funds. Hold on with me, let me head straight to my main account and I'll show you guys how my dashboard looks like and how you can be able to withdraw your funds to any exchange of your choice and more things that you're supposed to know. All right, let's do this, guys. All right, guys, boom, this is my main dashboard right here in this project. So in the previous verse, I just showed you guys everything you're supposed to know about SEO Bison, how to get started, how to fund, how to invite your family and friends, and everything you're supposed to know about it. All right, so this is how to withdraw your funds on this particular project. Once you have made your deposit and you have started earning some accumulation through your daily ROI, invite bonus, and everything, this is how you can be able to withdraw whatever you have right here. Okay, so let me just show you guys. Like I said, you guys can see right here, I'm already earning 4%. Okay, so this 4% will last me for 100 days of earnings. All right, so now this is how it works. And if I check my tokens right here, you guys will see what I have. I have 218 SBT right here. Okay, so this is a very legit platform. Like I said, guys, I'll show you guys the evidence so that you people will know that I'm not just kind of talk. This is a very tested and trusted project with proofs and evidences. I and my team members have been cashing out from here on a daily. All right, so our advice is, if you know you are not here, then you are missing out big time. Get started immediately, fund what you can afford not to risk, and start earning immediately. Make sure you network this project to maximize your earnings. Okay, so now when I hit on withdraw right here, I've accumulated this much, 3.4 SEU, equivalent to 15 point something dollars. All your earnings will be automatically withdrawn to the address you enter. Minimum withdrawal 1 SEU. So sorry, before I forget, guys, minimum deposit is 1 SEU and also minimum withdrawal is 1 SEU. Okay, kindly input a decentralized wallet like SEU wallet or Trust wallet. Right, it doesn't really matter. So all you have to do is just to get SEU withdrawal address from anywhere you wish. Come back here and paste it and withdraw your funds ASAP. Okay, so let me quickly head straight to my exchange and get my SEU address. Okay, all right, guys, this is my Bybit exchange right here, and like I said earlier, make sure you have any exchange. You can deposit from any exchange of your choice wherever you have SEU, and you can still withdraw to any exchange of your choice wherever you wish. Okay, so this is how to proceed with the withdrawal. Once you are in your exchange, you click on assets right here. Once the asset is up, then you click on deposit right here. Click on deposit crypto, then you search for SEU in the search bar. All right, click on SEU as the network, then you take the OK button. Then I copy my SEU address. Okay, now I'm done copying my SEU address. I have to head back to my SEU Bison dashboard and initiate my withdrawal. Okay, but before I do that, guys, let me just show you what I already have here. Okay, beautiful. You guys can see that I have 20 point something USDT right here. Okay, so once the withdrawal lands, you guys will still see it. So let's go. All right, guys, we are back on our SEU Bison dashboard. So the next thing you have to do is just to hit on withdraw right here. Then they will bring an option where you should put your SEU wallet address. So all I have to do is just to put the address that I copied from my Bybit exchange. Then I'll hit on withdraw. Boom, you guys can see the countdown has already been initiated. Let's give them a few minutes for them to initiate our withdrawals. Then we'll head straight to our exchange and see what we have. All right, so the withdrawal countdown is already on. We have a few minutes to go. Let's do this. let's do this. It's coming up, guys. Just give them a few minutes, then we'll go and see. Once they got it set up, then we'll go and see what's up. Alright guys, in less than a minute our withdrawal has already been completed. You guys can see withdrawal successful, beautiful. So we just have to close this button and head back to our exchange and see what's there. Alright, so you guys can see we don't really have anything right here anymore, and our stake has already been increased based on how I explained for you guys in the previous verse. Alright, so now let's head straight to our exchange and see if we have received our funds there. And boom guys, we are back on our Bitget exchange. Beautiful. And if you take a look at my dashboard right here, what you are seeing from $20 to $38, which really means that now when you make a withdrawal, there's already a bonus attached to that for you. Wow, isn't that amazing, guys? If you guys can recall, I placed a withdrawal of $15 and $3 something was added to my main dashboard. So I received a whopping $18 right here. So that's a very great and good, amazing project, guys. So if you are not joining this project, I don't really know what you are waiting for. Steady cash out short for you here, 2024. So sorry guys, 2025. So I'm just being so happy and excited at this moment. So I don't really know why anybody should miss out on this update. Just get started immediately. Position yourself and start making the money. 2025 is a sure bet, and like I said, this particular project is going to make you mad funds in 2025. Right? So you click on my, let me just check my assets and see where the funds enter. I'll click on funding right here. Alright, and I will refresh. Okay, let me just refresh my dashboard and we'll see. Okay, it's under funding. Beautiful. You guys can see what I have right when something's new. Okay, so boom, this is what I got. Guys. So I don't really know why anybody should miss out on this project. Get started immediately, and if you get anything that is confusing you, drop it down in the comment section and I will assist you immediately. If you don't really know how to go about anything, just let me know in the comment section and I'll get you set up. And also do well to join our community so that you can be able to ask your questions and get answers and everything you're supposed to know about make money online and this particular project. Alright, so thank you guys for watching, and if you really found value right here, do well to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification and get all the updates from our channel. Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up right here, comment and share this post so that everybody will make the most out of it. Alright, so thank you all. I'm very excited. I'll come your way next time. Keep winning, stay safe, and bye for now.